Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can select and move in Photoshop properly. So let's open Photoshop. Here you can see there are like two tools which are basically related to selecting. So these two tools, which are move tool and rectangle marquee tool, these two are basically for selecting items and other stuff. There is another one which is like object selection tool, but I will give you guys a better tutorial on it on another video, so make sure to check our channel. So with move tool you can like select any item and like move it according to your desired location, and when you move it you will see there are random margins which will indicate that how your photo is positioned. For example, this photo is in center, as you can see by seeing the lines. So move tool is basically like the default mouse, and you can use it to do many things. You can also change layer locations with move tool like this. In move tool there is another tool. If you right click on it you will see artboard tool. So once you have selected that, you can select a certain point of your photo and it will add all the layers in the image, and in the selected place, as you can see it selected all the layers and it made a group. So you can edit under this group, then close the artboard tool, and also it will crop the image as well. And another thing here you will find is the marquee tool, and the default one is the rectangular marquee tool. You can select anything from a photo and you can do stuff with it, you can copy it and paste it, and you can move those items with marquee tool, move tool. You can select item in a circle too. Make sure to press shift to make the circle even, and you can press space to move the circle. So these are the basic selection tool in Photoshop. There are two more, like the lasso tool and the object selection tool, and these tools have some more tools under them. I will give proper tutorial on them in a later video. That's all for today. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.